Hi viewers, today we are going to explain about microwave oven solo model 23 liters MS23K 3513AK model. It is actual price, it is showing 7090, but we got it in shop for 5600 in Bangalore, Yashwantpur main road, Pi Electronics, I think. There we got for 5600 this model. And let's see, we will open. So Sharon Kumar, he will open today this oven for us, and he will show how it works and how it is looking like. So outside this box we received like this: microwave oven 23 liters and glass steamer, eco mode, ceramic inside. And what else it is from outside box? It is like that. Yeah, here it is. This is the model number. Yes, let's open this first. Yeah, so Sharon Kumar is opening this. Yes, 1 minute, and then we need to cut here this way also. Yeah, this way again, like this. Yes. So just he is opening, and what we received first is, what is that, Sharon? What is that? It is.
It is a microwave.
But
we can see this.
This is a glass plate.
Yes.
Glass plate. It is huge plate. On
Yes.
top of this one they kept. Yeah, we will keep it aside. This one, and yeah, yes, Sharon, we can open that, I think.
Yes, I can open.
Yes. So
It is a microwave.
yeah, we will open that and we will keep it outside and we will see. What you say?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Can you hold this camera so that I can keep it out?
Okay.
Yeah. I will keep it out.
Okay.
Yes. So this is first look, and back side we have a cable, the tape. So I will open this tape. Yes.
Yes, we open.
So this is the cable. If it is a little bit short length, but still it is fine. So let's come to the front side, and shall we open these things?
Yes.
Yeah, these covers we will open. Yeah. Okay.
Inside is there.
We have a booklet and another small tape. Yes, and that is true. It is ceramic inside, and it is little blue color. And on top, they added different auto cook numberings, and here it is button system. Start, child lock, numberings, and functionality we will see once if you switch on. And this is a booklet. Yeah, and we will go through these things also later. And yeah, I'll close and we'll open this. Yes. looking very neat. Ceramic inside logo is there here. Samsung. Yeah, it's nice. Now yeah, we will open, we will start, and yeah, handle is also very nice. Yeah, that's it.